Hi students, trigonometry exercise 6.4. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. The symbol is minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 second. 60 seconds, the symbol is seconds. Okay. For sum, find the value of the following. Sine 49 degree. Sine 49 degree. See your book. Now, tabular column given 6.4 exercise 6.4, 2 pages. After 2 pages, tabular column given natural sine, natural cosine, natural tan. Okay, tabular columns given. Now sine 49 degree means take natural sine. Natural sine. Here see that one in this side mentioned by degree. This one is mentioned by degree. Here mentioned by minutes. Mentioned by minutes. Now sine 49 degree. 49 degree means now no minutes given, then take 0 minutes. 49 degree equal to 0.7547. Sine 49 degree equal to 0.7547. Okay. Second one, cos 74 degree 39 minutes. Cos 74 degree 39 minutes. That means natural cosine. Natural cosine 74 degree. See that one. 74 degree. Okay. Here 74 degree. Here 0 minutes, 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 24 minutes, 30 minutes, 36 minutes, 42 minutes, 48 minutes. 39 minutes not given. Okay. Now find first 36 minutes. 39 minutes before 36 minutes. 36 minutes. Listen. What is the value? 2656. 2656. And here mean difference given. Mean difference given. And the balance 3 minutes is there. 2656. 74 degree 36 minutes equal to 0.2656. The balance 3 minutes. See the mean difference. Mean difference value 8. See the mean difference value 8. Okay. 8. Now cos value, subtract the mean difference. Okay, subtract the mean difference. We get 0.2648. Third sum, tan 54 degree 26 minutes. Tan 54 degree 26 minutes. Tan 54 degree 26 minutes not given, then take 24 minutes. 54 degree. 54 degree. Now 24 minutes. That is 1.3968. 1.3968. See that one? 1.3968. What is the difference? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. See the mean difference. See the mean difference. 2 minutes equal to 17. Equal to 17. Okay. Now 17. Sine and cos. Sorry. Sine and tan. Add the mean difference. Okay. Now 18 plus 7. 15. Balance 1, 8, 9, 3. 1.3985. 1.3985. Understand or not? Okay. Next sum. Sine 21 degree 21 minutes. 21 degree 21 minutes. Now see the natural sine. Natural sine 21 degree. 21 degree. 21 minutes not given. See the 18 minutes. 18 minutes. 3633. 3633. And the balance mean difference 3 minutes. 3 minutes equal to 21 degree 3 minutes 8. Okay, 8. Now already I told sine and tan, add the mean difference. Add the value 0.3641. 3641. Next sum, cos 33 degree 53 minutes. Cos 33 degree 53 minutes. Now see the natural cosine. Natural cosine 33 degree. 33 degree 53 minutes. 53 minutes not given. Now 48 minutes. 48 minutes 0.8310. 0.8310. What is the difference? 5 minutes. 33 degree mean difference 5. 8. Okay. Okay. Subtract the value. Cos means subtract the value. Value is 0.8302. Now second sum, find the value of theta if sin theta equal to 0.9975. Here value given, we want to find theta. Okay. Now search the value inside the table. Now 0.9974. 9975 we want. Here 9974. Here 9976. Okay. Now less than value 0.9974, that is 85 degree 54 minutes. 85 degree 54 minutes. அப்போ sin 85 degree 54 minutes equal to 0.9974. Okay, what is the difference? 1. Now 1 here. Then mean difference equal to 3. Mean difference equal to 3. 3 minutes equal to 1. Then now 9975, the value we get sin 85 degree 57 minutes. So theta equal to 85 degree 57 minutes. Next, cos theta equal to 0.6763. 0.6763. See that one? 6763. Now 6769 6756. 6769 6756. In cos greater value take. Okay, but 0.6769. 0.6769. Cos 47 degree 24 minutes equal to 0.6769. Okay, we want 0.6763. Now subtract the value. 6 means we get 63. Okay, but we want 6. 6. See the 6. 47 degree 6. 3 mean difference. 3 mean difference. But mean difference 3 equal to 6. Subtract the value. We get 0.6763. Add the angle 47 degree 27 minutes. So theta equal to 47 degree 27 minutes. Next, tan theta. Tan theta equal to 0.0720. 0720. See that one? 0720. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Sorry, 4 degree 0.0717. 0734. 0717. Sin and tan take the smaller value, cos take the greater value. Okay, but 0.0717. Here 0.0720, smaller value 0.0717. 4 degree 6 minutes. That is 4 degree 6 minutes. Okay, now 3, add the 3, we get 0720. But 3 means, see the mean difference. 3. Here 1 minutes, that is 1 minute equal to 3. At the value 4 degree 7 minutes. So theta equal to 4 degree 7 minutes. Similarly, cos 0.0410. 0410. See the natural cosine 0410. See that one? 0419 0401. 0419. Already I told cos means take the greater value. But 0.0419. Okay. Here we want 0.0410. Then take 0.0419. That is a 87 degree. 87 degree 36 minutes. 36 minutes. Okay. Now subtract the value. Subtract, we want 0410 means 9 subtract. But see the mean difference. 87 degree mean difference 9. Okay. 9 means 3 minutes. Mean difference 3 minutes. 3 minutes equal to 9. Subtract 0410. But theta equal to 87 degree 39 minutes. Next, tan theta equal to 7.5958. 7.5958. See that one. 82 degree 7.5958. See that one. Here directly we get 7.5958. See that one. 82 degree 30 minutes. 82 degree 30 minutes. Okay. Now theta equal to 82 degree 30 minutes. Third sum, find the value of the following: sin 65 degree 39 minutes plus cos 24 degree 57 minutes plus tan 10 degree 10 minutes. First we want to find sin 65 degree 36 minutes. Sin 65 degree 30 minutes equal to 107. Okay, 3 minutes mean difference 4. 3 minutes 4, that is 0.9111. Next, cos 24 degree 54 minutes. 24 degree here 57 minutes, only 54 minutes there, that is 24 degree 54 minutes, that is 0.9070. Okay, difference 3 minutes 4. Okay, 4. Cos means already told, subtract. 0.9066. Tan 10 degree 6 minutes. Here 10 minutes given. First see the 10 degree 6 minutes. 6 minutes 10 degree 6 minutes. So 1781. 1781 6 minutes. Okay. Now balance 4 minutes. Balance 4 minutes. See that one. 4 minutes 12. Add 12. 0.1753. Now add this 3 values: 0.911, 0.9066, 0.1793. Add this value 1.9970. Okay. Second sum, tan 70 degree 58 minutes plus cos 15 degree 26 minutes minus sin 84 degree 59 minutes. Tan 70 degree 54 minutes. 70 degree here 58 minutes given, only 54 minutes is there. Tan 70 degree 54 minutes 2.8878. Okay. Next, balance 4 minutes is there. See the 4 minutes 104. Okay. Add this to value 2.8982. Next, cos 15 degree 24 minutes. Here 26 minutes is there. First find 24 minutes. Cos 15 degree 24 minutes. 24 minutes 0.9641. Okay, 0.9641. 2 minutes difference, that is a 2. See that one, 0.9641 2. Add this value, sorry, subtract this value. Cos means subtract this value 0.9639. Okay, sin 84 degree 54 minutes. Sin 59 minutes given. Okay, first find 54 minutes. Sin 84 degree 54 minutes 0.9960. 9960, difference 5, value 2. Okay, but difference 5 value 2. Add this value 0.9962. Okay, First write the tan value, cos value minus sin value. Add this 2 first. Okay, 3.8621 minus 0.9962. Separately write this and subtract. Okay, subtract the value, borrow the values and subtract. Next we get 2.8659. We get the answer. Thank you, students.